Hello, friends. Today we are going to read chapter number 11 of your EVS NCRT books. The name of the chapter is The Valley of Flowers. In the hills of Uttaranchal, there is a place where there are flowers everywhere. उत्तरांचल की वादियों में एक जगह ऐसी है जहाँ चारों तरफ हर तरफ आपको फूल ही फूल नजर आते हैं. This place is called the Valley of Flowers. इस जगह को फूलों की घाटी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है. In some places, one sees red flowers blooming on bushes. इस जगह पर एक तरफ जब आपको लाल रंग के सुंदर फूल खिलते हुए नजर आएंगे झाड़ियों में, while in others one find white flowers peeping out between the stones. वहीं दूसरी ओर आपको सफेद रंग के फूल पत्थरों के बीच में से उगते हुए नजर आएंगे. There are wide areas carpeted with the brightest yellow flowers. इस जगह आपको दूर दूर तक चमकीले पीले रंग के फूल दिख सकते हैं. आपको ऐसा लगेगा जैसे वो कालीन की तरह बिछे हुए हैं. And suddenly, elsewhere, blue flowers shining like tiny stars between the grass. और वहीं कहीं आपको दूर नीले रंग के फूल चमकीले तारों की तरह टिमटिमाते हुए घास के बीच में दिखाई देंगे. All this seems like a beautiful dream, doesn't it? क्या ये सब कुछ आपको एक सपने की तरह नहीं लगेगा कि आपके चारों तरफ फूल ही फूल है, हर तरफ खुशबू ही खुशबू है, हर तरफ रंग ही रंग है. Yes, because like a dream, these flowers bloom only for a few weeks in the year. जी हाँ, सपने की ही तरह ये फूल भी साल में कुछ हफ्तों के लिए ही खिलते हैं. So let us have a look over this beautiful valley of flowers. India, the land of diversity. India is not only diverse in terms of people, languages, landscape, fauna and flora, monuments, people, folk arts, food they eat, clothes they wear, religions, beliefs, different heritages available in the country, architecture and lifestyle. India is beautiful. Today we are going to discuss about the beauty of Uttarakhand, which is situated in India. Uttarakhand is a beautiful state situated in India. Uttarakhand was formerly known as Uttaranchal. It is a state in the northern part of India. It is often referred to as the Dev Bhumi, the land of gods, due to the numerous Hindu temples and pilgrimage centers found throughout the state. Uttarakhand is known for the natural environment of the Himalayas. It borders the Tibet Autonomous Region of China to the north, Nepal to the east, and the Indian states of Uttar Pradesh to the south and Himachal Pradesh to the west and northwest. So let us talk about a beautiful place situated in the lap of the nature, a beautiful national park situated in the state of Uttarakhand, the Valley of Flowers. wonderful combination of snow-covered mountains, frequent waterfalls, and lush green valley full with flower beds on the both sides of flowing rivers. It seems like heaven on the earth. The diversity in flowers is amazing here. Mostly all the natural colors and shapes are found. The valley seems like a painted sheet of Almighty during July and August. The movement of the clouds are also a charming for the visitors, and hence the valley has become one of the most beautiful places and tracks in India. The richly diverse area is also home to rare and endangered animals including the Asiatic black bear. The Valley of Flowers National Park is an Indian national park located in North Chamoli and Pithoragarh in the states of Uttarakhand and is known for its meadows of endemic alpine flowers and the variety of flora. The richly diverse area is also home to many endangered species animals including Asiatic black bear, snow leopard, musk deer, brown bear, red fox, and blue sheep. Birds found in the park include Himalayan monal. At 3,352 to 3,658 meters above the sea level, the gentle landscape of the Valley of Flowers National Park complements the rugged mountain wilderness of Nanda Devi National Park to the east. The park stretches over an area of 87.50 square kilometers and it is about 8 kilometers long and 2 kilometers wide. This area is diverse in terms of flowers grown here. Himalayan bellflower, morning dew on a pink flower, and multi-storied flowers. So, bestowed with the rare Himalayan flora, the Valley of Flowers is a bouquet of nature peacefully snuggled in the West Himalayan region of India. The trek of Valley of Flowers goes through dense forests, river, bridges, glaciers and waterfalls. You can see flowers everywhere around you. There are many types of flowers around you like sunflowers, roses, jasmine, showflower, marigold, water lily, lotus, tulsi, poppy, pansy, vidamali, chamananthi, kanakambram. These flowers are not only different in terms of colors, but they are different also in terms of fragrances. You can see flowers on many things as well, like flower printed dresses, flower printed bed sheets, flower pots, plates, cushion covers, decorative items, paintings. You can see many flowers printed on some paintings. Let us talk about a folk art which is based on flowers only. The design in the picture is called मधुबनी. यहाँ तस्वीर में बने हुए जो चित्र है उसको हम मधुबनी कला के नाम से जानते हैं. It is a very old form of folk art. ये भारतीय लोक कला का उदाहरण है. ये बहुत प्राचीन है. Do you know why it is called मधुबनी? क्या आप जानते हैं इस लोक कला को मधुबनी के नाम से क्यों जाना जाता है? There is a district in Bihar called मधुबनी. बिहार में एक जिला है जिसका नाम है मधुबनी. Here, during festival and happy occasions, the walls of the houses and their courtyards are painted with such pictures. इस जिले में किसी भी त्योहार या किसी खुशी के मौके पर यहाँ के घरों की दीवारों को और आंगन को रंग दिया जाता है इसी प्रकार के चित्रों से. These paintings are made out of a paste of powdered rice in which colors has been mixed. इन चित्रों को बनाया जाता है चावल के महीन घोल से जिसके अंदर बाद में विभिन्न प्रकार के रंगों को मिलाया जाता है. The colors used in Madhubani paintings are very special too. इन चित्रों में इस्तेमाल होने वाले रंग भी कुछ खास होते हैं. To make them, indigo, नील, turmeric, हल्दी, colors from flowers and trees etc. are used. इन रंगों को बनाने के लिए नील, हल्दी, फूलों के रंग और पेड़ों के रंग इत्यादि का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. The paintings show human beings, animals, trees, flowers, birds etc. इन चित्रों में इंसानों को, जानवरों को, पेड़ों को, फूलों को और पक्षियों को दिखाया जाता है. These are the examples of this folk art. Now, let us talk about the types of flowers. There are many types of flowers, like flowers grow on trees, flowers on gulmohar tree, flowers on kadam tree. There are many flowers that grow on water plants, like lotus and water lily. There are many flowers that grow on bushes like hibiscus flowers and roses. Flowers grow on creepers, flowers on chamba plant and white snow plant. Flowers that bloom at night like chamba plant and night queen plant. Flowers that open at daytime and closes in night like sunflowers, and lotus. Many flowers have a beautiful fragrance like roses and jasmine plant. Many flowers that bloom throughout the year like roses and kudumbani flowers. There are many flowers that are seasonal that grow in a certain months like marigold and tulips. There are many plants that do not have flowers like money plant. So let us discuss about the various uses of flowers. Flowers are used in many family functions like marriages. Flowers are the integral part of any family function. Flowers are also used in making flower carpets and rangoli designs. You can make beautiful designs using different colors of flowers in it. Flowers are also used in floral decoration during various functions and happy occasions. Flowers are also used while we worship or do puja. Flowers are used in order to make a bouquet, in order to present someone or greet someone. Flowers are also used in making garlands, phoolon ki mala. Flowers are also used as a vegetable in various places like in Maharashtra, pakoras are made using sahjan flowers. In Kerala, banana flowers are eaten as a vegetable. In Uttar Pradesh, kachnar flowers are eaten as a vegetable. The color of flowers are also used in dyeing the clothes as well. We use the different colors while coloring the clothes. Flowers are used in making perfumes, fragrances, and scent. In India, there is a place named Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh. This place is famous for the production of itr. Here, a part of itr, rose water and kevra water are also made. Many flowers are used as a medicine, like roses are used for the treatment of skin infections. Marigolds are used for immune response, stomach pain, and other medical purposes. Sunflowers are used to support digestion, it controls high blood pressure, and it keeps our skin healthy. So in this chapter, we had talked about flowers, the different varieties of flowers, their uses. In this chapter, we had discussed about 3 places. First one was Uttarakhand, which is famous for the Valley of Flowers National Park. Then Kannauj district, which is famous for the manufacturing of itr. Third, Madhubani district, Bihar, which is famous for its local folk art, Madhubani paintings. Flowers. are the beautiful creation of the nature. We should not pluck them unnecessarily and for our fun, joy, or enjoyment.